chin to all surviving personnel. Not where we plan to end up, but we're here now. We're gonna fight our way off the Death Star. We'll need a fresh ship and the opportunity to break free. I want squads to shut down the tractor beam's generator and control station. That'll give us a start.
Tractor beam control, all systems powering off. They deployed. Tractor control systems powering down. Generator shutdown sequence. Generator shutting down. Come on, come on.
At this rate, we'll never make it out. Take out those stormtroopers. I think I have a plan. We're near some kind of weapons control station. We'll have to shut down the turbo lasers in this sector to escape intact. But we have an opportunity as well. Sabotage the station's main weapon.
Turbo lasers shutting down. Could take a while.
Tear out the wires if you have to.
All guests have arrived.
Triggering main weapon shutdown. Trying to shut off the main weapon. We're at the main weapon, trying to power down.
Vader has come. Beware.
All right. If we go down now, at least that planet killer weapon dies with us. Blast those troopers, then we head for our new ship. There's a shuttle force nearby. You'll have to activate the elevator to summon it and bring the hangar controls online. But we have a chance. It's all we've ever needed.
Princess Leia has come to our aid.
Activating the elevator. Elevator controls in enemy hands.
All systems green. Activate the shuttle elevator. Shuttle is ready for launch. Heading over with a squad to join up.